Imagine living in a place where you never know if you're being watched. You're not sure if someone is observing you at this very moment, but the possibility alone makes you behave as if you are. This is the essence of the Panopticon, a concept made famous by Michel Foucault in his book Discipline and Punish. And while it began as an idea for a prison, today it describes much of modern society. The Panopticon was originally designed by Jeremy Bentham in the late 18th century. Picture a circular prison with a watchtower in the center. The guard in the tower can see every prisoner, but the prisoners can't see the guard. Because they never know when they're being observed, they end up disciplining themselves. Power works not through force, but through constant possibility. Foucault took this idea and argued that modern societies function like panoptic systems. Schools, factories, hospitals, and even military training rely on discipline and surveillance to shape individuals. The goal is not just to punish, but to produce orderly, efficient, and normal citizens. Instead of chains, society uses norms and observation to keep us in line. Fast forward to today, and the Panopticon feels eerily familiar. Surveillance cameras in every corner, digital tracking on our phones, data collection by tech giants, these are modern watchtowers. Social media amplifies it even further. We post, like, and comment while knowing we're constantly visible to others. In fact, many of us have internalized the gaze so deeply that we curate our own lives to appear acceptable, desirable, or successful. We are both the prisoner and the guard. Contemporary sociologists push this further. Shoshana Zuboff's idea of surveillance capitalism shows how our behaviors are monitored and monetized. Zygmunt Bauman argued that in our liquid modern world, visibility is both power and vulnerability. Being invisible online can mean exclusion, while being too visible can mean exposure. The brilliance of Foucault's Panopticon is that it forces us to ask, how free are we really? If we self-censor, adjust, and reshape our lives under the silent weight of constant observation, then power has moved inside of us. It doesn't need chains. It lives in our minds. But here's the thought that can change everything. If society constructed these systems of control, society can also challenge and rethink them. Recognizing the Panopticon in our everyday lives is the first step in resisting it. If this video gave you something to think about, I'd love for you to subscribe and support the channel. The more we grow together, the more I can bring you smart, thought-provoking content that connects sociology to the world we live in today. So hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep questioning the structures that shape our reality.